right, let's get you breaking updates now coming in. TMC leader Jahangir Khan has been picked by the West Bengal STF from North Bengal. Sources say that he was trying to flee to Nepal. He is now being taken to Kolkata by the STF. So the TMC leader Jahangir Khan has been arrested by the STF near the Nepal border. He was on the run, remember, and sources say that he was trying to flee to Nepal when he was taken into custody. He was apprehended close to the Nepal border area and he had been absconding for several days. So the STF, the Special Task Force, has been tracking his movements based on intel inputs before carrying out the operation. There are multiple FIRs that have been registered against him at the Falta police station. So he is going to be brought back to Falta. So the TMC leader has now been taken into custody. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, Jahangir Khan had been absconding, had been on the run for several days now. He has now been arrested by the STF. What are the details?
Well, absolutely. As sources are telling us that Jahangir Pushpa of Diamond Harbour or Falta, he has been arrested or detained by the STA from Indo-Nepal border, and he has been detained last night only. Now, as per sources tell us that he was trying to flee off to Nepal after several accusations and allegations that has been launched upon him, but the STF last night has taken account of him from the Indo-Nepal border. As of now, there is no official confirmation that is coming ahead from the STF, but sources in STF tells Times Now that the Pushpa of Falta or the Diamond Harbour models curbing down, due to whom Jahangir Khan, that man himself, has been picked up, and his boss Abhishek Banerjee, to whom this entire Diamond Harbour model was planned and was made. He himself is in Delhi. Last also we had gotten information how Jahangir Khan's calls were refused by Abhishek Banerjee. So you see, it's a complete fall off in the background of Trinamool Congress as is concerned, along with Diamond Harbour model or other issues that the Trinamool Congress is now seem to be falling off in.
Okay, all right. Ridhita, also, what are the details of the FIRs that have been registered against him? And this arrest also comes at a time when the top leaders of the TMC are in the national capital for the India Bloc meeting.
Well, absolutely. As the India Bloc meeting is concerned, we see that Mamata Banerjee has already gone to Delhi last evening. She also, Abhishek Banerjee, was there from last 2 days. And as per concerns and sources tell us that the India Bloc meeting is going to take place where Mamata Banerjee will be present along with Abhishek Banerjee. But then...
All right, Aditya, stay with us. In fact, there's no end to the turmoil within Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress, because sources now also indicate that two TMC Rajya Sabha MPs are also likely to resign today. So more resignations are likely to come in. In fact, Mamata Banerjee herself is also in the national capital and she is making efforts to ensure there is no more exodus. But we are told, Ridhita, that 2 more Rajya Sabha MPs may also resign. Who are these MPs and what are the efforts being made by Mamata Banerjee?
Well, absolutely. What I was telling you was Mamata Banerjee herself has reached Delhi last evening and Abhishek Banerjee is there since last 2 days. And their last effort is to see that there is no split in the parliamentary wing of the party. However, sources tells Times Now that today around 11 a.m. already a meeting had been set with the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and likely 2 MPs are now going to resign. This may be from the faces that was newly elected from just before the elections. There can be MPs who have been newly elected. But on the other side, when we see that Mamata Banerjee is already holding this India Bloc meeting, in fact, Mamata Banerjee will today as well speak to the MP so that the parliamentary wing does not...
So all efforts being made from Mamata Banerjee's side, but 2 more Rajya Sabha MPs are also all set to quit from the TMC. Stay with us. More breaking updates now coming in of the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee skipping even the second summons by the CID. He was asked to appear at the CID office today, and sources say that a communication has been received from Abhishek Banerjee seeking more time to appear. stating that the case is pending before the Kolkata High Court. Let's go across to Rajesh joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rajesh, so Abhishek Banerjee is said to have communicated to the CID that he will not be appearing today. What are the details? What has he told the officials?
Yes, absolutely. TMC MP and General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee is in New Delhi right now for his political meetings and all. And since he was summoned by the West Bengal CID and he was asked to appear before the investigating officer of West Bengal CID department today by 12 p.m. But since he is in national capital, so he will not be able to appear before the investigating officer of CID today. And communication has been made on behalf of Abhishek Banerjee to West Bengal CID. And in the communication, Abhishek Banerjee has stated that since he is in Delhi for his political meeting and other appointments, he will not be able to appear before the investigating officer today. And apart from that, the same case is already pending before the single bench of Kolkata High Court. So citing these all reasons, Abhishek Banerjee has sought few more times to appear before the CID in connection with the signature fraud case.
So let's see when the fresh summons are going to be issued to him. Rajesh, my apologies, we'll have to leave it at that. But a lot more trouble seems to be coming the TMC's way, and we're keeping a track of that. Slipping into a quick break, we'll be right back. Stay with us.